Hey, so what I'm looking at on egld Elrond was basically a mixture of two different strategies. Like we have, this is the 50-day EMA. We had a pretty explosive bounce off of this. This was previous resistance here that held up for a little bit, and then you had that explosive move out of resistance with the new resistance set up here. Came back down, and it's holding just above this 50-day EMA, so that's a pretty decent level of support. So right now I'm looking at this candle compared to this candle. It's a bullish engulfing candle, and we're in that pattern right at a level of resistance. So this is like a breakout sort of play to the upside to exit somewhere around our resistance up here. Like probably I'd start looking for an exit point around this point, 60.9, because this is where you'll start to get prices like slowing down. But ideally I'm looking for up here or up there. Then I'd say it's on shaky ground comparatively because Bitcoin is selling off. Like this was the pump this morning because of Elon Musk. And I mean, you can see we've been trading in this range right here. Like I've said from a while back that like our range was like 2,800 to 34.8. Like that's right down there, 34.8. Like that's been our trading range for a long time, since back here on the 21st. This pump did go, it pushed above that range, but this isn't natural growth. So I don't really have any reason to expect it to maintain these high levels. You can see like prices fall since this peak. So what I want to see is how price acts in this zone right here. Because if it just comes right through, like if price comes back down through this range and falls back down, then I don't have any like technical reasons suggesting that we're going to break this like bearish consolidation pattern that we've been in. Because this wasn't natural growth. Like price blew up really high, but it's not supported by buyers. If there were buyers, then this whole consolidation period would have been an uptrend. So like if price just falls back down through this level to like the 3,300, 3,400s again, then I think we're still just going to be in that 34.8 to 28K range. Like we'll just stay right back down here again. But we'll see what price does as it gets into this zone. If it bounces up, then hey, that's really great. But like right now there's no reason to expect that it will. We just have to kind of wait and see. And if price does fall back through this zone, then I definitely wouldn't be making this trade because it's not going to hold up very well. But we'll see.